Yo, welcome to this new and first video on this channel. Today we are going to customize these brand new AirPods. But before we continue with this video, I want you to quickly click the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Of course, we have to start with a sketch. First, I choose green and tape it so we can't overshoot. Now we remove the tape and we have already made the first area. Now we need a bit of the same color, so I choose orange. Wow, this is already starting to look good. Now we are already at the next color, and that will be blue. So, and now it's time for the color red. We are getting closer, so quickly move on, and this time it will be the color pink. Now we come to the last area. I thought I would choose a light color, so I chose yellow. Now it's time to make black lines between the planes so that it looks nice. We also make the opening white in advance, and it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.